Hi friends, today we are going to continue one of our course Oracle Legacy Multi-Tenant DBA. So today we are going to cover creating CDB and non-CDB databases. We have already installed the Linux Oracle VirtualBox and installed Oracle Database 19c software on that Linux environment. And today we are going to create CDB and non-CDB databases. So next we are going to start up the VirtualBox. So we have MRV1, we'll start it off, and also MRV2 will start. So it has started, both MRV1 and MRV2 have started. So let's log in as Zoom. Okay, so let's connect to Oracle user. Okay, we will modify the batch profile. Batch profile. We'll delete these lines. Then we will input this in the batch profile. Okay. So now we will do source batch profile. Okay, fine. So we are similarly in MRV2 we will do the same thing. First log into Oracle. We have modified the batch profile in both MLB1 and MLB2. Next is we will go to CD folder, Oracle home, CD bin directory, and then we will run next here. Okay, listener configuration, click next, add listener, listener name is listener, TCP 1521, another is no, listener started, next, finish. So we have started the listener and we are good to start the DBCA now. So we'll select create a database, click next, then we'll go for advanced configuration, click next, single instance database and general purpose transaction processing, click next. Okay, global CDB name would be CDB1 local domain. So this would be CDB1 local domain and this is CDB1. Create as container database. Create as container database we'll have to select. We'll have to select create as container. We'll have to select use local undo space for PDBs. Create an empty container database. Click next. Use the following database storage attribute: file system, ORA data, DB unique name. That's fine. Next. Specify location. We'll make it FRA. This should be FRA. And size would be 20480 MB 20480. So click next. We have to select the listener, select next. Database bot we are not going to configure. Memory, use automatic shared memory management. Use automatic shared memory management 1653 and 552. So this is 1653, 1653, and this is 552, 552. Sizing, this should be 500 processors. Character set is fine. Connection mode dedicated server. Click next. Yes, we have to configure Enterprise Manager Database Express 550. We'll click on next. We'll use same user ID password for all users. So we'll give password as Oracle. Click next. Yep, are you sure want to continue? Yes. Then we have come to the create database step. Then we'll click next. and we'll click finish to start the installation of the database. Click finish. Okay, so database has started. So the log is located at this location, so we can copy this and go to a booty session. Total so we can see the output of the installation here. So that's pretty much about starting the installation of a CDB database. This is a CDB database. We have started installation of the CDB database. Now let's go back to SMRB2. Okay. We'll go to cd oracle home / bin directory, and here we will start HCA. Okay, listener configuration. Next, add listener is listener. Next, TCP port number 1521 is no. Complete. Finish. So listener has been successfully started. So now we will run the DBCA to create a non-CDB database. Creating a non-CDB database. So we have to create a database with advanced configuration. Next. These all are file single instance database and general purpose transaction processing. Click next. Here we will have to give oradb.localadmin. Is the seed. Create a container database. This is a non-CDB database, so we'll convert this. Next, use the following attribute: ORAData DB name. Specify FRA location. This should be FRA. And 8016 MB. 8016 MB. Let it be 8256, so that's fine. Listener, we'll have to select the listener. Data vault we don't need. Automatic memory management 1653 and 552. Automatic shared memory management. So we'll make it 1653. 1653. And this one 552. Sizing, this should be 300 characters, it is fine. Connection mode, sample schema, will add sample schema. Okay, play next. We don't need to configure enterprise manager on this database, so we'll not configure enterprise manager. Click next. Password, try and give password Oracle. Click next. Yes. And create database. But click next. Okay, and we click finish to start the installation. So DBCL log file is located in this location. Copy this. We'll start another OT session, this time connecting to MRV2. Okay, so this is, so we can observe the output in this window. This has completed 46%. So it will take some time for these two databases to get installed. So on MRV1 we are installing a CDB database, and on MRV2 we are installing a non-CDB database. Hi friends, is MRV2 installation has been completed. It says move to state completion page. So if we come here and if we check, it has come to the completion page where we can see that the database installation has been successful. So let's close this and then try to log into SQL Plus, Oracle as sysdba. So fine, we are able to log in. In MRV1, it's still 66%. It's progressing. So we'll have to wait for some more time for the CDB database to complete. The non-CDB database is completed. So we'll have to wait for some more time for the CDB database to complete. Okay, so in MRV1, the CDB database has also moved to state completion page. So we can view, so this is the completion page. So the database is installed. So let's close this and let's log in. that's fine. We are able to log into SQL Plus. Then DNS configuration and so next is the Enterprise Manager. Let's try to connect to the Enterprise Manager in this machine. So applications, let's open a Firefox terminal. This is the Enterprise Manager URL. So Firefox has opened. So let's open a new tab. And in the tab we give this address. We go to Advanced. Accept the risk as continue. So there you go. Enterprise Manager is up and running. Sys and password is Oracle. So log in. So you can see the Enterprise Manager is up and running. So you can go to the Performance Hub and monitor the performance of the SQL and PL/SQL code. So we are able to log into Enterprise Manager Express Control, Enterprise Manager Database Express. So that's it about installing CDB and non-CDB database on the Oracle Linux environment. Thanks for watching.